Alright friends, so let's get started. I want to show you step by step on how you can create your YouTube channel and possibly verify and all the stuff. So let's get started. So here on my screen, on my dashboard, I want to create a new channel, even though I already have one, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'll be creating a fresh one. So I will click, let me open YouTube. Simply open YouTube. So let's wait while this loads. Network sometimes could be slow, but don't mind the network speed. I hope it loads fast. Wow, this is taking time to load. It's taking longer than I expected. Is even having issue. Okay, I think there's a slow network at this moment. So I'm going to pause this video, then continue when it. Okay, I think it's back now. All right. So without wasting time, all right. So we continue. So as I will click. This is my YouTube channel. So I will click on this button here. Then you select this create a channel. Then you can see what is displaying here. If I want this name or I want to use another name, so you can use another name if you want. So let me say my name is so this is the name I want to use. Then I click create channel. Then you can upload picture later. So the system is creating the channel, this channel here. So is the channel is being created. So let's wait and see as it creates the channel. Boom. So my channel is ready. You can see the channel has been created. So it doesn't take up to 2 minutes. So you can see there is no subscriber, there is no video. These channels. Then you can then begin to add all this up. The channel was created on the during 6th of March 2022. So if I have about, I can put it on about section. Then on the home, if I have videos here, everything will be showing here. So guys, that is how to create a channel in less than 5 minutes. I hope you get one or two benefits from this video, and if I have made any impact, click the subscribe button, turn on your notification so that you can always get quality videos like this whenever I drop a video like this. And if you have any question, anything that you want to find out, how to monetize your YouTube, how to get subscribers, how to do other stuff online, just drop your comment in the comment section below and I'll be glad to answer you without any problem. So see you guys in my next video and remain blessed. Shalom.